something wrong. Do that again. Something wrong with you. Something wrong with you. I can't with you.
Okay, so I'm back, and after two and a half ish hours, I have got my hair clarified. It is nice and sitting in this conditioner now. I have a conditioner, a mask, and oil on, and I'm about to go under my dryer hood attachment, which this is the Hot and Gold, or Golden Hot hood attachment. And this is just, I don't know what dryer this is. This is a cheapo dryer. I guess decent. It does the job, because I'm not looking for it to get extremely hot anyway. I don't know what this green stuff is on here, but it's going to survive. But anyway, I'm gonna get to this, because then it'll let all those oils and all those nutrients absorb, and I will have nice soft hair. And I definitely want to replenish everything that I have stripped out, because that glue was hard to get out. I had a lot of shedding. That glue definitely did not help, because I had to keep making passes back through my hair to make sure it was all gone. So I probably shampooed my hair, 2 to 3 times just to make sure it was fully 100% clean and glue free. So now I'm going to leave this deep conditioning in for probably a couple hours, but I'll probably sit under this dryer for about 40 minutes ish, watch some TV, relax a little bit. And then I'll figure out what I want to do with my hair, whether I want to just twist it up or just do a braid out. But for now, on to the drying. So I'm back after about 1 hour of having my dryer hood on and took a nap. So this is nice and worked in at this point. All my conditioner. Y'all can see probably the steam in there. But take this off. Basically, I'm just scrunching where the conditioner is sitting on the bottom at, just so I can work that back in up top. Here we go. Yes. Ooh. And it feels so good. And it feels so good. Oh yeah. What I'm going to do now is go ahead, while my hair is still damp. My hair, it holds a lot of water, so it's going to be damp in the middle for a while, but not so much around the edges, so I'm going to do this quickly. I'm going to go ahead and put my extra virgin olive oil, and it is organic, so that's all it is. And a lot of people use like coconut oil, jojoba oil. Those are all like great oils. I just noticed with this, I get the most slip, and it's easy to go through my hair, which is important because my hair gets easily tangled. So I take about that amount, make a little cup with my hand, rub it in, and this is also good because it's moisturizing my hands too. serious coffee time. But I am back. Oh, I went ahead and took those out, and basically, whew, I just braided my hair up on each side just to keep it like off my face a little bit and out of the way. But yeah, my hair is very soft now after having that conditioner left in there and all those oils. I did go back and put a little bit more of the Cantu oil just for scalp on my hair, and you'll probably see me do this a lot, like just digging in my hair and down to my scalp. I like to massage my scalp, which of course promotes hair growth. But yeah, this is my natural state of hair, which was a lot more curled, had a lot more curl to it earlier, but I've had a hat on, I've been out in the elements today. So yeah, pretty much that's it. So the journey definitely begins with this, got a little bit of moisture on it still. The journey definitely begins with this whole completely natural hair, and I guess I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, you know, you can just send them in the comments or send me a message. If there's anything that you guys want to see or have me do, you can throw those in the comments or in a message too. I love to hear from you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's been MJ on deck, and thank you for watching. Peace.